Welcome to Shiny Sprouts. Dad, I love you more story for kids. Have you ever been so angry that you forgot what really matters? This story will touch your heart. One sunny morning, a proud father was busy polishing his shiny new car in the garden. The car sparkled so beautifully in the sunlight that his little daughter, Tanu, couldn't stop watching. She was only 4 years old, curious, playful, and full of love for her dad. She wanted to help him, just like he always helped her. So, she picked up a small stone from the garden and walked up to the car. Daddy will be so happy if I make his car prettier, she thought sweetly. And with her tiny hand, she began to draw something on the car's shiny side. When her dad turned around and saw the marks, he froze. His beautiful new car had scratches now. He felt so upset, so angry that without thinking, he shouted, "Tanu, what did you do?" The little girl got scared and started crying. She didn't understand what went wrong. Seeing her tears, her father suddenly stopped. His heart began to ache. He realized she hadn't meant to harm anything. She was just trying to show her love. He knelt beside her, hugged her gently, and whispered, "Oh, my sweet girl, I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have shouted at you." Tanu sniffled and looked up at him with watery eyes, saying softly, "I just wanted to write something for you, Daddy." The father turned to look at the car. Right there on the side of it, among the scratches, were 3 wobbly little words. "Love you, Dad." The father's eyes filled with tears. He hugged Tanu tighter and whispered, "Nothing is more precious to me than you." From that day on, he never got angry about small things again. He learned that cars, phones, toys, and all the shiny things in the world can be repaired or replaced, but the love we share with people can never be replaced. Moral: we should love people more than things, because things can be replaced, but people cannot. Things are made to be used, and people are made to be loved. Love people more than things. Kids takeaway: always stay calm and kind, even when you are upset. What truly matters is the love we share with our family, not the things we own. Please subscribe to Shiny Sprouts Kids channel. Thank you.